Sup, backing up, you guys. I'm Rail Fan Landon. Here's Mission Shore slowly heading this way right now. Here he is. Mission Shore Railroad. There he is right now. There he is. Leading MMRR from Mid-Michigan Railroad. The Mission Shore could release the engines because they don't have their own engines anymore. Here's right now. Here he is with 15 freight cars. Right, 15 freight cars. Been waiting MMRR 2019 MMRR 2170. There he is right now. There he is. Slowly heading this way on a rocky track. There he is. CGC milepost 34.5. It's about in MSR territory, Mission Shore Railroad territory. And CXX, the way he's going, but if you come from going the other way, that road would be up. He's now there he is. There he is. Part of trackage. Still jointed railroad, but ties have all been put in from last summer. It was so bad here they had to go 5 miles an hour instead of 10. I go about 5-10 miles an hour roughly, but I'm still on this track. Yeah. You got to get near Spring Lake and then go like 20. There's one right there and there it goes. There's the train, guys, and there it goes. Okay, guys, make sure to like, comment, subscribe for more videos like this. I'm Rail Fan Landon out.